Hey everyone, so I have been moved into my apartment for almost 2 weeks now, and in that time I've made a lot of progress in organizing my room and decorating it a little bit. So in case I haven't mentioned it, I'm living in an apartment at UC Santa Barbara. I feel like my room is in the place that I want it to be. Of course, there's probably still going to be a little bit of changes here and there, but for the most part, this is how I want it to look like. So I'm standing in my doorway and this is what you see when you first walk in. It's just an overview. So here's the door. The door actually came with 2 hooks on the back. So I'm just keeping my towel that I've been using every day for yoga here, and then this is my yoga bag, and then this is my purse for whenever I go out and run errands. So these are just like the things that I've been using every day, so I figured I'd keep them right there. And then I hung this command hook right here to keep my keychain on. It's super convenient because every time I'm about to leave my room, I see it and I can grab it. And then down here, I just have a little trash can, nothing interesting. And then here is where I keep my MacBook charger. I know it's kind of a weird place because my MacBook is over there on my desk, but the reason being is because there's no other super convenient place to plug it in. And I have an extra long cord, so I can basically reach this to the bed or to the desk, wherever I need. And then over here, I have my hamper. And then right above that, I just hung this little hexagonal gold looking mirror.
I tutored Orgo for a year. I'm genuinely concerned that I didn't know that that was a hexagon.
And I hung that using a command hook. I wanted to get a full body mirror that would go right there, but it kind of was making me nervous. I wanted it to be a floor mirror, so I wanted it to just lean against the wall. But because the door's right here and the door swings open this way, I was really afraid that I'd accidentally swing the door right into it and break it. So figured I can just hold off on that until I live somewhere where it makes more sense to have a floor mirror. And then moving on, so I have this bookshelf right here, and on the top of it I just put a TV. This is like a smart TV that I just got from Target, and it's a 32-inch. And then behind it I have my body lotion, just because there was no other good place to put this in my room, and I mean I use it every day after I shower, so I wanted it handy, but yeah, it's kind of weird, it's just back there. And then I have an HDMI cable just tucked away back there. Okay, and then on the next shelf, I have a simple printer. I literally just went to Staples and got the cheapest one they had, which was this one. And then next to it, I have this picture frame. It's me and Megan. She gave this to me for my going away. And it's really cute. And I love how it looks next to my printer. I don't know, the colors work really well. Okay, and then the next shelf has these 2 square bins. Like you see these all the time at Target, and they fit perfectly right in here. So in this one, I just have some random things. And then in this one, it's just bags. So this is my reusable shopping bag. I have some like plastic shopping bags that I can use for trash. I have some pencil cases, lunch boxes, toiletry bags. Yeah, a lot of random things. And then down here, I have a couple of textbooks. I'm sure that pile will grow throughout the course of the school year. And then I have printer paper and some extra ink right there. So next to the bookshelf, I hung these little corkboard things. So I figured this would be a good place to collect things. I love collecting like business cards and tickets and things like that, so I figured, you know, over time living here I'll definitely collect my fair share of that. But for now I have a 2-for-1 wine tasting thing, which I just hung there so I wouldn't forget about it because I definitely want to use this. And then I have this card that Megan drew for me, and I just hung it up because I loved how she drew California and Massachusetts. Very, very impressive. Good job. Over here's my first window, and I have a little dresser right here. So on top of it, I found this marble tray from Home Goods, and I love it. This was exactly what I was looking for. It's like thick marble and it's really heavy. So on here I just have my perfume bottle. I only have one perfume, but I love this one. It's English Laundry. And then I found this little cute dish from a store called Cost Plus World Market. And in here I'm just keeping my rings and this little Museum of Pop Culture guitar pick. And then over here is a little candle from Home Goods and it smells amazing. And then this is a rosé bottle that I decided to keep because I thought it was really, really pretty. It has like a glass stopper, which is pretty unique. And then the bottom looks like a rose. And then over here, I got this, I don't know what this is, copper tray. This was also from the Cost Plus World Market store. And here I just have my jewelry. So I have this Tiffany's bracelet, a couple of necklaces that I've gotten, I think from my sisters and my mom. A few pairs of earrings. These ones are from India. Those are just hoops from Brandy Melville. And then these cute little green earrings. And then this was a necklace that I got in Santa Fe, but I accidentally broke the chain because I was pulling on it. So I need to get another chain for that. But then next to it, I have this just blue candle and this little picture frame of me and Winnie and Carla. So in this set of drawers, the top one is the most disorganized. So I could definitely use some sort of drawer organization here, but that was kind of not my top priority because it's not something you would see, and also I don't really think I'll be going in this drawer too much. I have this little container that I just put my makeup essentials in, and then all my other makeup is in here. And then I just have like eyeshadow brushes in here and face brushes here. This bin I actually got from Home Goods because I wanted to use it for spices and put it in the cabinet, but it was just a little bit too long for the cabinet and I didn't want to return it because it was like $3, so I decided to just use it in here. And then yeah, I just have a bunch of other miscellaneous things like face masks, makeup wipes, whatever. The next drawer is definitely more organized. This is all of my workout clothes. So I have workout leggings, shorts, t-shirts, tank tops, and sports bras. And then the bottom drawer, this is my jean pile. That's like leggings and sweatpants. This is shorts, and then this is PJs. Okay, so this is my bed. I have a full extra long bed, which is kind of a weird size, but I love it because it feels like a lot of space. So my bedding is just from Bed Bath & Beyond. And then I have this little throw blanket. My sheets are also from Bed Bath & Beyond. They're like the jersey material. And then I have my toast pillow. Love to see it. And then above my bed, I hung this picture frame with a painting in it. And I'll show you more up close. And then this little Polaroid display. So my friend Megan Messer painted this for me as a going away gift. And she did a really, really amazing job. It's watercolor and ink. And it's Antelope Canyon, which is somewhere I went in Arizona last year and I thought was extremely beautiful. So I thought that was really, really cool that she made that for me. And I also just love the colors in the painting and everything about it. So I hung that right there. And then I found this white rack from Home Goods and I thought it'd be perfect for displaying Polaroids. So I hung it up using command hooks. And yeah, I got these little white clips off of Amazon and I think they're perfect. They're like the perfect size for this. So yeah, I just have pictures of obviously my puppy and my family, Micah, my friends. Okay, and then below my bed, not that exciting, but I have, you can't really see, but I have a bunch of suitcases tucked away. And then this bin is just filled with those like vacuum sealed bags. Then I have my hunter boots, which I probably won't be needing anytime soon. And then another set of drawers under here. So the top drawer is just underwear and socks, and the bottom drawer is swimsuits and bras. Okay, moving on to my desk area. I use the back of my chair to stash clothes when I'm too lazy to put them away. Showing you what's on top. I got this little cord holder thing off of Amazon, which is amazing because there's a very narrow space here, and it's just really annoying to grab my cords every night. I got this lamp from Target and I love it because it looks like marble. It's fake, but it looks like marble and like gold or brass, whatever. And yeah, I just love it. Very straightforward. Gives a nice warm glow. And then I found this candle holder from the Cost Plus World Marketplace, and I put in a candle. I've been burning it, so it's melted by now, but I love the holes because when the candle's burning, it like reflects on the wall, like with the pattern of the candle holder. And then I also got this matching file holder thing from Cost Plus World Market. I don't have a whole lot to put in here right now because the school year hasn't started yet, but I'm sure once the school year starts, this will become filled up. But I also just loved how it looked because it's all very cohesive. I also got this from the World Market, and it's technically supposed to be a planter, but I thought it'd be perfect as a pencil holder because it has all these different sized cups on it. And then above my desk, I got those same square corkboards as you saw over here, but I got them in smaller size and I hung them up like this. I was just kind of eyeballing it, so it's not perfect, but like how that looks. And then I don't have anything to put on it yet, but I got these little white and gold thumbtacks. And then obviously I have my computer and my water bottle, and I was just drinking this coffee latte that I made. And then over here I just have my backpack stashed away. Last but not least, I want to show you my closet situation. The first half of the closet, here's an overview. So on the top, I have bags. So I have my backpack that I like to use for traveling and a little duffel bag. And then here I have like tote bags and purses. And then obviously these are my clothes. And then I have another little shelf that I put in here, and the bottom is where all my shoes are. I don't love this organization because I don't like when my shoes are stacked on top of each other. So I'm wondering if I should get like a little shoe shelf and put that in there so that I can have like 2 different levels. And on this shelf, I have this little basket where I just keep extra towels and sheets. And then here I have all of my long sleeve shirts. They're just from different like national parks, or like when I was in high school and used to do cross country races, stuff like that. They didn't really have anywhere else to go, so I decided to just stack them here. Okay, and then I'll finally show you this side. Up here I have my Mexican blanket and my bigger duffel bag. And then this is just where my TV box is, because eventually when I move, I'll need that. And then on the bottom, I have my laundry things. Okay, well, I think I showed you everything. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. I definitely enjoyed organizing and decorating my room because it gave me something to do. I don't have a whole lot to do because classes still don't start for another couple weeks, and I've already been here for a couple weeks, so just kind of killing time. But I think I'm really satisfied with how everything's looking, and I really don't want to buy anything else unless I'm really sure that it's something that I need. I guess that would be my number 1 tip. If you're moving and you don't have a lot of things, just be mindful and buy just a little bit at a time, because you can always go out and buy more, but it's such a pain in the butt when you end up with like a bunch of extra stuff that you have to return. And let's be honest, a lot of us aren't going to return it because it's too much effort, and so then we just end up with clutter and things that we don't need. So yeah, that would be my number 1 tip for moving into an apartment when you have absolutely nothing. If you have any questions about where specific things are from, I think I mentioned it as I was going along throughout the video, but if I forgot to say where something was from, definitely comment below and ask me. I don't want to link everything below because that's a lot of effort, and I have like 10 viewers, so you can just ask me and I'll just tell you. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.